Good afternoon, everyone. Gabe Velazquez here with you, transparenttradesolutions.com on a Tuesday. Today is the 5th of August. Let's get right into the charts. We have, some volatility kicking in a little bit in the markets, but overall, kind of in no man's land, really. Friday, I talked about this kind of blue line here, being the key level. We still, we bounced off that pretty hard, as everybody knows. And now we are kind of in no man's land, really, relative to the swing high and swing low. Literally, this could go either way. If we still need to break it, in order for this to really catch some momentum, I would suspect we need to break down through these areas here. This is going to be a really key level, the 62, kind of a band support, if you will. We got some demand here a little bit, uh, but overall, we could just be, forming a very kind of broad, choppy range here, almost kind of like right in here. So nothing new there. What's going to cause another, we got AMD earnings tonight, Disney, and but nothing market moving. Apple could be interesting. It's holding around 200. Interesting today, the Russell was the outperformer, which means nothing because it still hasn't broken out. You can see there's clear resistance at 2288. Everything else, rates dead in the water, nothing. After the big move from Friday, just there's no follow through. Dollar similarly, uh, you know, uh, these are again pretty similar to the stock market, kind of in no man's land relative to that swing that low. So there's not much happening in the currency markets. The metals, gold, just range bound clearly, 33.20 to 35.20. That's pretty obvious there. Gold did try to rally today a little bit. It's got some supply coming up here. Silver, I'm sorry. Nothing in copper, and nat gas could be bottoming here around 3 MBTU. We'll have to see if that's the case. Very, very choppy, kind of quiet trading. But pretty much that summarizes everything. Kind of a summer quiet session today. Still a bunch of stuff that could kick in here. We've got the claims number on Friday. We got some bond auctions coming up. And market's still a little bit unsettled here. We'll see if first level, I guess, on the S&P would be 6,300. So if that holds, then I think we may challenge the old highs as well. So we'll see what happens there. I have a new class coming up. Subscribe to the newsletter, and give me a thumbs up and all that good stuff. You put some commentary in the chat, and we'll see you on Friday. Take care. Have a great week.